Metro will close portions of the Blue Line in 2 phases between January and September 2019 to make major improvements. When the work is done, riders will enjoy new tracks, upgraded signals, and better signage. It will be a better Blue Line experience. During the South closure, Blue Line service will close between downtown Long Beach Station and Willowbrook Rosa Park Station from January to late May 2019. During the North closure, Blue Line and Expo Line service will close from late May to July 2019 between Willowbrook Rosa Park Station and 7th Street Metro Center on the Blue Line, and at Pico and 7th Street Metro Center stations on the Expo Line. From July through September 2019, Blue Line service will continue to remain closed, but the Expo Line stations will reopen. Here at Metro, we understand that this is big and appreciate your patience. We're offering several bus shuttles to all Blue Line stations during closures to help make it as painless as possible. During the closure, look for signs like these and friendly Metro Rail safety ambassadors at Blue Line stations to help you get where you need to go. Learn more about closure schedules and Metro shuttle options at metro.net/newblue. A better Blue Line is coming. Plan ahead and share this video with everyone you know who rides the Blue Line.